Leave her, let's go.
Stop making her beat us more.
Leave her. Leave her.
So allow me make her slap her.
Bring the other slippers, come.
We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We will tell my father. Look at them.
Enu. Uwa. Una say una strong, Abi. Una strong well. May I go my village come. Me I fair go Tagbuno come first. Me I go meet my grandpapa there. If they say they're strong well, then me will go my papa side. Now my mama side I fair go first. O two again in over. I can't know what go. Before I share it, kasa we tell you should be me check over. Before I sue. Biaka. Njekibi. Anya jikafu. Hey, my children, how are you? Bele. Your mother? Yes. Oh, my dear. As you can see, look at me, I'm traveling now. Just follow me, tell your mother that anytime I come, I will visit her. Yeah. Bye, my dear. Okay, my dear.
Gabriel, where Gabriel? Where is Gabriel, my brother? Come out. Come on.
What destroy this place?
You say what?
Now
how do this one? Now get this one. Now get this one.
This you don't weak.
Don't weak.
What happened?
Gabriel, I can't warn you. You and your children.
My brother, leave that thing. We enter house.
Listen.
I'm not be listening. We enter house. Where Lawa?
Lawa. No.
What's the radio?
Make I tell you, I can't warn you and your children. I'm going to stay clear for my daughter. You see that daughter where I just born so? Now my diamond, not be gold. You know say gold they fake, but diamond not be fake. I know they use and play at all. You dey hear me? When we see your children go, they'll go meet them for outside. Go beat my daughter and my niece wait there with me. For what now?
I'll be up over here.
I want to ask you one question. I come here as one carry lesson where my wife chop with it done.
People see ask you question. They cook their hand for pot.
Eh?
When they don't finish. Small pikin beat them, you just call it the shark.
Small pikin.
You
want to compare boys with women?
Oh.
Boys and girls are the same.
Let me see me, you know, bomb.
You dey laugh me now.
I don't laugh you. Now what you tell me to? See what you destroy my house.
You dey laugh me now.
See what you destroy
my house. Destroy my house.
What did you do?
Listen, my brother. I for knock you just now.
I got you know. Hey, I got you know.
Don't look me like that.
If you say don't work money for gold, I will pick you up.
Don't look me like that.
Give me.
I'm fighting.
I don't go touch you. I don't go touch you.
If you happen again, this house, I go destroy everything. Down.
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir. Fish
Where?
shop. I don't take my hand in shop.
Okay.
You do well.
I don't want now. I don't want now. Stay clear from my family.
As you stay clear from our family, we must stay clear from our family.
Gabriel.
Give them because of sin one to another.
My brother, my friend, don't tell the thing I can't tell you about this your brother. He say he never say give up for this issue. My friend, as we talk so, me I surprised and I confused. If anybody tell me say my own brother, my own blood, say you get this kind devil mind, I will say na lie. I go expect to say God
Because
wetin may be the thing. I think say maybe na your money, na you take buy all this land. Who say him money? Na my money oh, because I'm not there around. Now they send down the money, make it they help me to buy those properties. Now he come dey follow me, dey drag am. Wow. And what do you mean? See, if to say you know what thing they do now, if now person like me, they do all those kind of things for good. If for spray pepper, not be small thing because me know they tolerate no sense at all. As you if now what thing make you they do one like this because now your brother. If now person like me for this community, you don't go try am now. My brother, you know this life. As body takes crash you, if you make you scratch her like that, this body I know. You know say that in life, no make creator, now God creator. Not true, sure. So I not fit take my brother life. I live in matter for God. So what do you see inside there? If you say your daughter sit there alive by now, for don't smell pepper, sha, for don't buy safe. Brother, I live everything for God. It is well. Thank God. Say now your brother Gabriel. Let's not try those nonsense. Am I bad? I mean, am I good way I do now? They kill the person. It is well, oh.
My husband. Wetin dey happen?
This kind of thing, I just can't put myself on this thing. I'm not just understanding.
Wait, na that matter. Now you still dey shake.
Now you know. Other matter. I don't wear. If I be my I'm a yepo. Ati ogo. You supposed to do matter with the grand.
So you not believe my mama? But I tell you that say, now once if he come back for village, everything will settle. Make you relax your mind.
No,
Make she come first.
No, be say I don't believe your mama.
Not try them mama village or their juju, eh?
I know.
The juju where they my mama village. Not try them, oh. They know they take bread. Not try, not be like the kind juju wanna get for you. Now what you tell her, mate, today we just do. Don't relax your mind. Everything will be okay. Yeah.
Thank you, my wife.
Hold on.
I know that. I'm happy. Look at one. And you're in room. No, your wife will come.
No be so.
No.
If you walk on corner,
Snake,
which power you want to fight?
Snake, don't be there on top of sick. Make the landlord sleep for his house.
I know.
It's not possible.
But the girl that she did it one when they kill the snake.
Yes.
Make you relax.
Yes.
The snake don't already die. You don't die.
Amen.
Now you just dey shake your mind.
Amen.
Don't do it.
Amen.
Come on, enter house now.
sit down, our brother say, don't be your brother too. Me and even know where our mom is and bone say.
You not resemble me. You not resemble.
You show see our mama born now. This don't be like see what they do. This matter tire me. They say don't note. That woman.
Everybody talk to me, please. Hey!
Open your eyes! Jesus!
No! Yeah! Hey!
It's me,
I am finished.
Open your eyes!
My only child.
Oh, that is what you want.
Give me
Papa, Mama,
What happened?
I said they come for feed. We dey hear they shout for the Uwadiae house.
What happened?
What happened?
Uwadiae just not be out there.
Be smooth.
Oma dey die.
All of them just dey cry.
Mama say Uwadiae not there.
Hey, everybody die. My wife, she part as
He did.
Papa, I say people when they stingy, now so dirty they die.
Truth you talk.
That land now, she be don't turn to our own now.
Don't turn to our own.
Me, Papa sent that day.
He no
He no
Christian.
say no.
Oh. What I go do? In the evening I will go there.
We'll go.
You will give me powder, I go rub am for you.
Now so,
I go come wear trouser, put. I'll go the road for their house.
oh my God.
I'll just
Nobody go
Don't turn our own. Don't turn our own, Mama.
No problem.
Okay, where I go?
I saw.
Mama,
That one.
But this
that
house
one
no
do
reach you.
I want this one to go this now.
Come on, Libby.
Papa, na good news I bring up for you.
No level.
What is that?
is it? What else do they want from us again? Eh? They've taken my one and only child, and now this?
No wonder they feel my daughter present every time. She was trying to save us from this. Oh. Ewemade, my daughter, where are you? Ewemade, where are you?
Ewemade, my dear wife, it's okay. See, let me tell you something. The God that we serve, the creator of heaven and earth, is not asleep. He's watching over us. Whatever they plan, they will use their eye to carry it.
Amen.
No weapon formed of fashion against us shall prosper.
Amen.
Never, it will not prosper.
Amen.
We shall see.
I not tell you.
I don't know.
I tell you to do with them and mama do.
Oh, yeah.
Say they work.
And be with you. Yeah, he buy me. I quit for run.
Nah, that one. Let me that one mama want to. What do my mama want for you? My mama want me to buy her something.
I talk am.
Wow.
I don't hear it.
What do you hear?
For it.
What do you hear?
So now your mama do the sharp come. Go on and take it now. Abi? Your mama sham they work well. Did they work? See, I make I tell you now. Despite so na kill her. You not to pay me because she not fair get character. You know they respect me as a senior sister. Not be say I know. That's the one way you go take kill her.
Shut up your mouth there. Shut up people they happy. I'm going to go.
Hey, John!
Mother. Two of you. Your mama. Now they do the stamp.
Because of you know what they do with me.
Not do it because of me. Talk your own.
If they share
Talk your own. Cough your cough.
They share the land for now tomorrow.
No share for me. Not be my papa house I go stay forever. No share for me. And they share for now. For now, not they share.
Make
Make it beat me.
where you only there?
Your master me.
I know you can. If this year just ends back, I will carry back the guys and go 22 months of grants. That I will pack everything when must be done.
Rose,
Sir?
don't act as if all is well. Let me tell you, I'm here for you as an uncle and as a father. Okay? Right. It's okay.
I miss her so much, Uncle. I wish she can just come back to us again.
You mean your mother?
No, Uncle.
Then who?
Uwadiae. You know, she was a nice sister to me. And also a very good friend. I just wish I could be able to do everything with her again.
My daughter.
Uncle, no, please
For
don't
life.
cry. Uncle, please don't cry. Uncle, it's okay. Look at my face. I'm feeling my eyes. I'm not crying again. Uncle, please.
What life is this?
Uncle, don't cry now. Mama will come out and see you. Eh? Uncle, please. Me, I'm not crying again. Look at my eyes.
It's okay. I've heard you, okay? what is happening? Why are you running? Look at your clothes stained. What is it?
Uncle, mother.
Yes. Calm down.
When I was selling onions on the road, so this car lost control. I was heading straight to my direction. Then Auntie Uwadiae came out from nowhere and pushed me away from the car.
Where? What are you saying? What kind of joke is it that you saw a woman, the woman they pushed you? How?
Uncle, I swear by the grave of my late mothers. I know what I saw. She pushed me away from the car. She did save my life. She saved me. I searched everywhere for her. I looked for her, but I couldn't find her anymore.
Rose, I believe you. Yes, my husband. My husband, I believed her. I know a woman day present is always with us. Even as we are talking now, she's here around us. I can feel her presence.
I know what I saw. She pushed me away from the car. She did save my life. I saw her. Pushed everybody.
Yes, you are here.
Why are you careless? Why did you do that?
What did I do this time?
Why did you show yourself to her? Or have you forgotten that it is only in the dream you are allowed to show yourself to them?
Yes, I know that. But it's only my parents you told me to reveal myself to in the dreamland, not to Rose.
Never do that again. Look for another means to communicate with them without showing yourself to them.
All right. You want me to just leave Rose to die like me? Who is going to be helping my parents then? I need to do something.
So, you mean you were killed?
Yes, I was.
I understand what you just said, but you are here with me and we are expecting our twins a few months' time from now.
You don't understand. I was given a second chance to live again.
So, you mean a second chance?
I'm dead but living. And your brother knows about it.
Sweetheart, let me tell you something. In as much as you were dead, but now you are still living, I still love you so, so much.
Serious?
Yes, I love you.
Thank you.
I love you, darling. I love you.
Thank you.
Nene. My husband. My husband.
Oh, it's you.
Yes, it's me. When you were sitting here, but your mind is far away from here. Now, please can you share what is it?
I love you, wife. I was thinking of us.
talking about something. What could that be?
I was thinking the unbelievable.
You are getting me more confused.
You don't have to be confused. I was thinking if there's a way we can bring our daughter back to life.
I wish there is a way we can bring her back to life.
Now you can see it's unbelievable.
Okay. I understand you, my husband. But for now, we need more strength and wisdom and to think more how we can bring her back to life. Yes, my husband. Lord, yes. Let's go inside and eat. The food is getting cold. Yes.
Okay then, if you say so. Ew.
The reason why I call you for night, I see a woman there for my dream. She said she dey come back.
Shut up your mouth there! Oh, what kind of thing now? You know what to be dream? You know what to be dream?
Dream now.
Dream.
Me now, dream.
A dream. Hey! Ha.
Daddy, a woman dey say she dey come back for revenge. Now wetin she tell me, even draw here where they talk am. He draw here where they talk am.
You say they come for revenge. Okay, you will fit explain to me what this dream mean now. Me, I want to make you won't do it. What do you mean? Tell me.
Daddy, I don't know wetin me o. Now make me talk and come out o. Now you be my papa, you fit tell me wetin me o.
Daddy, me as for me, now when I come and she go take revenge.
He can't have this week. Don't be born them. I don't know where you see all those children from you.
Yeah, I know you want to
My papa want me. As a castle though, as a castle with my wife again with the forbidden. I know the hear my papa word. See now.
Now what you give me, I give you. Now let God know where you from. When my dad they come, what you go concern una concern?
What you go?
Sister say you see her for a dream now.
When my dad they come, Daddy, me I don't know.
Everybody before you know. You know if you explain what you see for dream. And dream you see her. It's just off you don't mean me now. I'm gonna come for my friend. Come for my side.
Hey, see.
I'm going to look at the movie. I'm going to be a wow.
Say one call revenge.
Hey, revenge.